Hi everyone, Toys Academy here. We have Kinetic Sand, Float, Adventure Water Park. Only available at Target for 3 years old and above. All we have to do is mold, float, and play. For safety, modeling compound not intended to be eaten, and choking hazard, it has small parts.
Now we're gonna open the box. Blue kinetic sand. Purple kinetic sand. And orange kinetic sand. Here's some of the molds.
Okay, great job!
Yay! Here are the molds. This is the tube, colored orange. This is the penguin, colored purple. This is the hippo, colored green. Last is the bear, is colored blue. Fill only half of the mold with kinetic sand float. Open kinetic sand float and squish the sand until it's softened. Ooh, I like it how it feels. Not getting soft yet.
Just keep on squishing until it's soft.
Yeah. The sand is ready and it's got soft and we're ready to mold.
Okay, I'm gonna do the molding for the tube and you do the animals.
Okay. Got that. Now I'm gonna make a hippo that's blue. The tubes are like little circles, like a O.
Uh-huh.
We only had to get half because they're like small. I thought they're like big, but they're not. I'm gonna make a bear. See this. Slide down. I'm just gonna do a scissors. Woo!
Oopsie!
Oh my gosh, it's not floating!
It's not floating?
It's not floating! Ah,
I think it needs more water.
really?
Oh yeah. Okay, go get some more water.
Okay. I'm gonna pour water in the water tray play space. Ooh. I'm gonna use the bear. Oh. Oh, it's kind of floating. Its legs floating. Oh. Look at that. Floating like that. Now I'm doing the hippo. It's like us. I don't like moving. Yay!
They're sideways.
Yeah.
They're floating sideways.
The penguin's like fat. Like not floating. The penguin's floating on the back. Look at that. Why do I like that? So weird.
Yay!
They're still floating on their side. That's weird. They're in line.
Let them slide again.
They're in line. Here's the hippo. The penguin's like the fattest one. This is like not fitting on the slide. Oh no, or they're upside down. They're not like that. It's not floating. Okay. Oh no. They're like getting. I just did it on the back. Oh, the back is like better. Let me try the
They
penguin.
slide down and on their backs. The penguin is too heavy.
Yeah, it's like fat. I like it. What? This is like not working.
Which one's not working?
The penguin, of
The
course.
penguin, okay. That's okay.
They like jogging themselves when they go down.
Uh-huh. At least they slide down.
Yeah.
Slide down on their own. Just a little push.
They're gonna get stuck. Oh, like, I'm gonna make them in line, but I don't know how to do it. Yeah! I don't know how I put the penguin. I don't know where to put the penguin. There's none of them are gonna fit under here.
Mm-hmm.
Hooray!
Alright, let them enjoy their
They
swimming.
look like, these two look like twins.